There are two types of people: those who take a new startup of a business and become successful, while on the other hand, a person who is doing business for a long period of time but does not become as successful as others. Do you know what is key to success in business? The key to success is focusing on web designing and web development hand in hand. Further, do you know why people fail to boost up their business? Because they focus only on the design of the website and not the functions, which is why they are unable to attract new customers. Now, are you thinking about hiring a company to promote your business? Then don't worry, you are at the right place. Webiesol is one of the world's best web designing and development companies and offers the best services at affordable prices according to your requirements. We offer whiteboard animation, 2D animation, logo design, brochure, business card, letterheads, UI or UX design for web and mobile, web design, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery Bootstrap, web development, PHP, Laravel, WordPress, SEO, search engine optimization, SMM, social media marketing. Furthermore, if you are interested in learning all these services to boost your business by yourself, then we are also teaching the above-mentioned services. If you have any query, feel free to contact us at any time via given email, phone number, or visit our office.